Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can change your username on Reddit after 30 days. So at first click on your profile and then click on settings. Now scroll all the way down until you see Help Center. From there search for username and then click on Can I change my username? And then scroll down until you see Submit a request, so click on this. From there click on this form and say I need help with my account, and then type in your email address and then just say username problems. I want to change my username, and then put your current Reddit username and then say yes, I can log in, and then I want to change my username, and in details of inquiry say, hey, I want to change my Reddit username for unfortunate reasons. I made a wrong one. I'll attach my ID and passport for verification reasons. And then attach your ID and everything. And then once you press on submit, the Reddit Help Center is going to review your account, and then they should send you an email where you should be able to change your username. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.